This is Deepak from TechPex Research and Innovation Services. Today I am here to demonstrate you one of the recent and trending technology on the optical fiber communication. So what exactly we have done here is we have designed a model for the OCDMA, that is optical code division multiple access. Along with that we have used SAC. SAC is basically, you can see over the screen, that is spectral amplitude coding. So by using this particular methodology we have designed this optical model, and one of the main thing that we have designed along with this is we have done the analysis for different weather condition, for autumn, for winter, for spring, and different, because we all know the weather conditions depend and infect and change the performance of the optical systems as laser based communication is there. So let's have a look what we have done. When I'm running this particular code, you can see in the Opti system we have designed this. The optical fiber modules are used for the communication purpose, and the whole concept for the SAC based OCDMA system is represented. The model that I am demonstrating in front of you is basically for the autumn season with the rain. When I'm running on this code, when I'm clicking on this play button, you can see the whole calculation is done. It will take some time, as we have done for specific scenario. At the end we have used for the transmitter, for the receiver they are the optical modules, the lasers are used, the photodiodes are used for the reception purpose, the filters are used at the receiver end, and this is implemented by referring the recent IEEE Springer based research topics. These all topics are from the 2020 year, so that it can be used directly for the research purpose. As the calculations are done, I'm closing this window. As you can see, at the end we have analysis with the different BR analyzer systems for the user 1, 2, 3. 3 users are over there. So I'm clicking on one of the user. For the user 1, you can see for the Q factor analysis, this is basically the Q factor for the simulated model. This is the bit error rate that we have achieved, threshold, height, amplitude of the signal with respect to varying time, BR pattern. It is a very thin diagram over there. Even if you want to see the eye diagram along with that, you can click over this show eye diagram, and the Q factor along with the eye diagram is over there on the bit error rate analysis. Same is done for the second user, third user. So by taking these factors as Q factor, you can see the values over there. So these are for the analysis purpose. We have implemented this for different seasons, that is spring, summer, winter, autumn, with using the CSRZ modulation scheme. So this is the simulation that we have done. NRZ pulse generator is used, Mach gender modulator is used, and the concept for transmitting the data by using the FSO link is used, and at end the BR analysis is done. For getting the more details about these concepts and this particular simulation, you can contact us directly. Stay tuned to our channel for getting the recent trending research topics. So the Opti system is used for this particular simulation. For more ideas, you can visit to our website also, that is www.techpex.com. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.